Sir, how are you?
Yes, yes, very good evening. I am doing very well. Everything is going on very well. And the winter season is going on. That's why I am freezing in the morning time and the evening time. But in this time,
Yes.
the sun is shining above my head. Yeah, there is no problem
Yes.
in this time. But it is windy. Yeah, weather is windy. Wind is
Weather
blowing.
is yeah. Windy is blowing and sun rises is also sun rises. Sun rises at
Yes,
this
yes,
time.
yes.
Sunny.
Yeah. Maybe after few minutes, yeah, sun will be set.
Yeah, sun will be set after
Yeah.
sometimes. Definitely. In my side also sun rises at this time. After sometimes will be sunset. So for the viewers, introduce yourself, sir.
Yes, yes, definitely. Why not? First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal, and by professional, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an assistant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Apart from that, I am running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me.
Thanks, great introduce from your side, sir. It's my turn. So thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Mukesh Kumar Paswan from Nepal. If you talk about my education, I have done CMA from Chinnamasta Institute of Technology, Rajviraj, Saptari, Nepal. I have done also graduate from Tirupati University, KTM, Nepal. If you talk about my working, I am working in health post. I am a health person. I have a government job and my hobby is just searching on new things. I make a new friends and I have YouTube channel name is English with Mukesh, where I uploaded conversation videos, solo video, and that kinds of video which beginners so helps them. I hope so. Everything is good, and my strength is communication skill. That's all about me.
Yes, it is a wonderful introduction from your side. And sir, you have right now you have done so many things, and nowadays you are doing so many things. You are doing a job in a government sector right now. Also, you are learning this language as well as also you are running a YouTube channel. But sir, how do you manage your time?
Everything manager. If you have interested, if you have curiosity from on yourself, you can do everything. So I manage everything, sir.
Yes, and every single day. And do you how many videos do you make every single day?
One video.
One video for
Yeah.
your YouTube channel.
Yeah, I make one video, self solo video, and sometimes visited a stranger partners, so conversation video. But
Yeah.
nowadays, not easy for conversation video to strangers because many difficulties. Not friend is available at this time in this application. So just I make solo video, self video, sir.
Yes, yes. Sir, first of all, I would like to ask one question to you. And I belong to village area. I am from West Bengal, but I belong to village area. But you are from Nepal. But where do you live? Do you live a village area or city area?
Village area I sit, sir. Same like as I stay village. I am villager man, sir.
And today we will discuss about the top one topic, village or city. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes. And sir, you live in village area. And do you like village area or city area?
I like village area, sir,
But what is the reason behind it? Why?
because that is the reason is natural beauty first, and your bird chirping sound is coming in the morning time, evening time, and we get fresh air. Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
and no sound pollution. Yes, and we get plenty of vegetables, fruits easily, fresh. Not after 1 days, 2 days. I go to garden and pick to easily and fresh. I get every vegetable, fruits So that is the very interested village life.
Yes. Yes, I belong to village area. I know very well, and if most of the villagers are farmers, and they are always hardworking. They are a hardworking person. I notice that most of the farmers they come at the place. I mean, in the field area around 5 or 6 o'clock. Yeah, and
Yes,
up they work here till one p.m. After that, they go to the home. Yeah, they go home
yes,
for taking lunch, and after taking the lunch and they come back again here in the field area,
yes, yes,
and
yes,
and in the evening time they cut the vegetables, and after that they go to the market. They go to the market for selling the vegetables uh,
yes, yes.
for uh, for the money.
Your background is like as potato crops.
Yes, nowadays everywhere you can see the potato.
Yeah, so greeny and so beautiful background is seeing. I think that is the potato crops. Your background, yeah,
Yes,
so greeny. Yeah,
potato, cauliflower, brinjal, and
yeah.
mustard tea over there.
And I would like to ask you, what is the farmer life? Farmer life is good or bad? What do you think about it? The farmer life. Can you describe?
Yes, according to me, it is good advantage. Yeah, it is good advantage in the village from the village area, because in the village area there is no industry. Yeah, there is no
Yes.
industry. That's why for earning the money, most of the people they are farmer. They are cultivating this kind of food, vegetables in the field area.
Yes, farmer is the pillar of country, I
Yes,
think,
you're right.
because farmer crops grow, so every person can eat easily. Yes, but farmers have no respect to many peoples. That is the
Yes,
cause. If you are doctor, if you are engineer, you work in hospital, you work in cities, so you have a respect a lot. But who is crop grow? You are you eating like as rice, lentils, vegetables, fruits, everything you are using. So who is grow crops? So don't respect you farmers.
yes, you're
That is
right.
the difference. How do you feel? That's think about it.
Yeah, in our society it is happening. Yeah, I noticed that it is happening, but it is not a good. Yeah, farmer
Yeah.
are always hardworking person, and maybe uh, you should respect to the farmer, according to
Yes.
me.
Yes. Respect. I have to do respect, and
As well as,
government
but
also give
but
respect
people
them.
people always respect to the doctor, to the teacher, but they don't respect to the farmer. But farmer is also
Yes.
hardworking person. Yeah,
Yes. Is if a farmer no grow crops, so it is not easy life. It is very
yes,
difficult. If you eat in your body, if you eat, so you can stand on your leg. If you don't eat, so you can't stand, you can't do
yes,
any work. First of all, you have to need basic needs is food. So food
yes,
who is crops, who is grow crops, grow crops is who is the farmer. So I have to respect to the farmer first of all.
yes. And sir, few minutes ago you have told me the advantage of the villagers who live in village, and they get fresh air, fresh vegetables. Yeah. And what is the disadvantage of the villagers?
Yes, sir. I disadvantage. I think I am saying everything have advantage, disadvantage. Yes,
Yes.
I described advantage, and now I am going to describe disadvantage. Disadvantage is where good quality education school is not available in village. No more industries. They earn, they get job purpose. Yeah, and no medical facilities. Some
Yes.
persons suffering from disease, some from cough fever, say they do not get easily medicine. They have to facing a lot of problem. They have to go via city area that times. So it is not good sometimes, which is a medical facility is not available, education facility is not available, entertainment facility is not available. So that's why disadvantage of village. I got
Yes.
it.
Yes. Yes, I totally agree with you. Yeah, in the village area, there is no good English, do no good schools, college, or no good hospital, and there is no industry. That's why for getting a good job, most of the people they always go to the city area.
City area for search job.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
and and the pollution in the city area there are so many pollution, but in the village area there is no pollution.
Yeah. Sound pollution is also wind pollution, sound pollution, and like as dust. Everything pollution is in cities areas, but village area not pollution. That is the
Yes.
difference between cities and village life.
Yeah, you live in village area, that's why you know very well. Most of the people who live in village area, they always help each to each other. Yeah, and they live with unity. Yeah, and they always help to each other. But in the city area, if there is a four members in their family, the three members they are doing a job, and they are very busy person. They don't have
Yes.
a time for their relatives, for their friends.
Yes, absolutely. You say right. I agree with your statement. Yeah, village persons is to be like as honest, to be cooperative, to be helpful. Village. If you have any problem, so all villagers help you in village. But if you are stay in city, so if you have any problems, nobody help you. Just you have to self help. What should we do? What should we do? So you have to self decided. In the village, you have any problem, so people ask you what kinds of problem. What do you do? What have a
Yes,
problem? You tell me. If I have, then I help you. So ask in village, but town is not ask. Just one room, one person, finish. No any person. If you stay in one flight, um, four friends, five friends, five in room, but you eat or not eat, no any ask. Are you eating today? Are you eat today? No ask in town. But you are stay in village. If you eat or not eat, villager person ask you. If you not eat, so villager says, please you come my house and eat with me. So that
yes,
is the
yes.
difference between village and town, sir.
Yes, yes, definitely. And sir, I'd like to ask another question to you. And I belong to village area, and you belong to village area. And I know very well for learning this language, environment is very important. If there is a good English environment, you can learn this language very easily. But if there is a no good English environment at that place, always for learning this language, always you will have to face a lot of problem. Always you have to face a lot of issue. And sir, what do you think? Being a village person, can you learn this language very easily? Is there any shortcut?
Yes, sir. Village, that is not depend. Village person cannot speak. Cities person only can speak. That is not matter. Matter is if you are interested, if you would like to learn, so you can learn, because everything is available in village, like as YouTube. You can watch many YouTube video. Many teachers teaches in YouTube, Google's. You can search and you can read. Everything you can do from village, sir.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Nowadays.
nowadays social media is available, and everyone has his, maybe everyone has a smartphone, and using your smartphone, you can learn this language. There is no need to go anywhere. Always staying at
Yes,
your home and using your smartphone, you can learn this language.
definitely, sir. Definitely.
Yes. And sir, I would like to ask another question to you. And Nowadays I notice that I have in my village I have a lot of friends. They can read properly, they can write properly, they can also understand properly. Yeah, one of my friends,
Yes.
he was telling me, yeah, well, I can understand properly. Yeah, when you speak English at the time I can understand everything, but when
Yes.
I start speaking at that time I get stuck. I feel nervous. Yeah, what is happening and what is the problem? I don't know. Do you know?
So that kinds of person you suggest them, oh, if you are understanding, you are better other than you, because you are understanding. Most of people are not understanding what I am speaking, what I am not speaking. You are speaking, you are understanding. So it is the added point to you, first of all. And
Yeah.
second, you do not speak. How do you speak? You have no idea. You have to do practice a lot. You have lack of practice. That's why you are not speaking. So you start from speaking, practice. If, many person says, I have no friends, how talk, how do. So I would like to suggest them who is. So first of all, you have mobile, you record yourself, you have mirror, you record yourself, and you speak, practice speaking. Right. In the beginning times, 1 day, 2 days, you are feeling hesitation, you are not able to speak, you are like as nervous. Even then, you try. If you try speak, obviously once a day you will speak.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I replied, and they told me I don't have any partner. Yeah, I don't have any partner for practicing purpose. That's why I don't speak. I know very well speaking is the most important part, but I suggested to them, yeah, you can use. There are so many applications are available in the Play Store, Hybro, Exfluency, CV. These kind
Yes,
of applications are available in the Play Store, and if you download this kind of application from the Play Store, and after installing this kind of application, you can talk with another person every single
yes,
day.
yes, yes, definitely, definitely. Okay, sir. Nice talk to with you, sir.
Yes, yes. All right, sir, thank you for giving a valuable time. You are also speaking English very well.
Yes,
Yeah, I
thank you,
have
sir.
learned so many things
Thank you, sir.
by connecting with you.
Yes, sir. Nice talk to with you. Next time I will connect. Definitely. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you.